Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to complete wireless and repeater setup. Unbox your wireless and repeater. Plug it in near to the router or same as the router room. Wait until the power light on the repeater becomes solid. Make sure the repeater is connected to a working electrical outlet. Power issues can happen if repeater plugged loose. Set up using WPS. Locate the WPS button of your router. In some router WPS is not mentioned. You can check the two arrows pointing at each other, often appearing as an upside down or circular symbol, represent the Wi-Fi protected setup WPS feature on your router. Press the WPS button on the router. Within 2 minutes press the WPS button on wireless and repeater and wait for 2 minutes. The WPS connection can take up to 2 minutes. Once the LED gets solid on the repeater setup is completed. What if router don't have WPS? If your router don't have a physical WPS button, you can activate Wi-Fi protected setup WPS by logging into your router. Or else you can choose web browser method. Web browser setup. Open a web browser using your computer or phone and type in 192.168.11.1 and hit enter. A new login page appears in front of your screen. Click on Wi-Fi extender settings and select the mode. If you want to connect your repeater wireless, select repeater mode, hit next. In the next page, select your existing Wi-Fi network name which you want to extend. After selecting, enter the Wi-Fi password of your main SSID. Then, hit save. Congratulations! Wireless and repeater setup completed. Once you hit save, your repeater successfully connected with your main Wi-Fi network and starts to extend the signals. Now you can unplug the extender and plug it where you want to use. Wi-Fi password for the extender is the same as your main Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching the video. If you still need help, feel free to reach us to get technical assistance.